Everyone wants to tell me that this is the future and this is the way things are being done. But not a single integrator has taken my offer up to come onto campus, look at what we've got, and give me a proposal. So it's hard when I can't get anyone to put something down on paper for me. That being said, where it becomes scary is because we bring up the SLAs necessary in the higher ed vertical. And when I have integrators who have done projects and we have issues, and it could even just be something that goes dead, not because of an issue with the way they installed it. A piece of equipment dies 30 days after, whatever, right? It doesn't maybe not even done with their quality isn't the issue. But I've made a call out saying, hey, I've got to get this, room up and going. Okay, fine. We can get a tech out there on Thursday. The tech comes out. They're not ready to replace it. They just look at it. Great. I'll get an RMA for you. And then we've got a few days. So I can't have classrooms down for that long, right? We have to be up, ideally within minutes, at latest by the next morning. And that's where the issue has been, and what I've brought up to people who have actually connected with me to say, hey, let's talk about this. I said, our conversation stops if you can't solve that. If you can take care of that first, because that's what my end users, right? I might be an end user, but I have my own end user. And that's what they need. And that's what my provost is looking at. They want to know, how long are these classrooms down for? Because if I can't get back up and I can't get back up right away, it doesn't matter how we change our buying model, right? That's what it comes down to.